Hello and welcome to today's What I Ate Today.
All right.
Dad's birthday edition.
Exactly. That's exactly what I was going to say. Huh, you're such a mind reader. All right, so we're eating all vegan for breakfast this morning.
Of course.
Even though we're not all vegan in the house. We're
half and half.
Yeah, but I was going to say the people who aren't vegan, Dad and Sean, are like 85 to 90% vegan.
Yeah.
So today I'm having my oat muffins, peanut butter chip oat muffins. That there's a recipe, a couple videos before this one, I think.
These are delicious.
They are, and I love making a dozen of these at the beginning of the week or the middle of the week. Actually, when I do my pizza outside on the deck, I also do a batch of these. And I just keep them in the fridge. You pop them right out of the silicone liners, and I just keep them in the fridge, and it's basically 2 for breakfast, and that's like 270 calories,
yeah,
I think.
Which is like
not much. That's a good size, and it keeps you full.
Yeah, they're filling.
Yeah. And what are you guys having?
I made some just egg sandwiches for me and Dad. Probably didn't make enough because mine looks a little anemic.
Oh. Daddy
okay.
gets the big piece of just egg.
Yeah, so we're having Joseph's pitas.
Which are really good.
Yeah, I think those are from BJ.
Those are from BJ's,
okay.
Yeah.
We have a slice each of the provolone style Dea cheese. Like I said, the just egg.
Provolone's really stepping up their game.
Yeah.
I mean, not provolone. Dea's really stepping up their game. Not quite as good as Violife. Violife is like the gold standard, and Miyoko's.
The Dea though is really nice, especially when it's toasted. It feels creamier.
It does feel creamier. But if you're eating it not toasted, the Violife feels more like cheese.
Yeah, but Dea has really stepped up their game.
Right.
And I cooked the eggs with a little bit of Miyoko's creamery butter.
The oat one.
Yes.
Not the nut one, because we can't have the nut one.
As well as Trader Joe's everything but the seasoning. I mean, everything but the bagel seasoning.
And I know people are going to ask this in the comments, where did you get such a giant thing of everything but the bagel?
Didn't.
We bought a whole bunch of small ones and just put it in a jar.
Yeah.
And Sean's just having sourdough toast.
Yeah, he's going to have probably some butter on that, right?
Yes, Miyoko's.
Yeah.
All right, so that's breakfast. Guys, it's lunchtime. I look like a pig. I'm sorry. We just took a very dirty cover off an in-ground pool, so.
Yeah.
I didn't film this before, but I had a measly clementine because I was feeling like I was going to pass out. That's how hot it was and strenuous and everything. So now it's lunchtime and it's also your birthday. So we're going to have a little picnic out on the deck.
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh,
You don't want it?
no, the air conditioner's on.
I planned this picnic and
All right, fine.
I made my famous chickpea salad. It's kind of a thing.
And chickpea chips.
And chickpea chips. What? I did. And I put Sir Kensington's yellow mustard, which everybody knows it is the best yellow mustard in the world. I'm sorry. I'm going to let you finish, but Sir Kensington's, we hunted it down. And there's the phone. But they're having it. Yeah. Sir Kensington, I'm sorry. It wasn't Sir Kensington. It was just Kristen. Alright, so we're also having these off the eaten path veggie crisps. I really like these. I love the black pepper flavor.
Yeah, they're good.
I didn't like it as much as the purple potato one at first, but I really like the black pepper flavor. So, chickpeas upon chickpeas. You guys are having ciabatta. I can't have that, so I'm just going to have the chickpea chips. And maybe some string beans left over from last night. Those were really good. I really like the bolognese that we had last night. It was going to make an appearance today, but then I decided to make the chickpea salad before. Because it's a summery day.
It is very summery.
It's very hot. And we're going to sweat it out on the deck. Hello. I guess it's snack time.
It is snack time. This is my mid-afternoon snack.
I'm not having a snack because I ate way too much chickpea salad, so
it was delicious.
I'm going to be going over my allotment for dinner tonight, but I don't care. I'm going to party like it's 1999.
All right, well, I'm gonna have this very special raw rev. I guess you could say it's like a protein snack bar thingy. But we were gifted this little like sampler box.
Yeah.
And we're down to the last one.
We're down to the last one.
And these are so good.
You've been saving that one for a while
I wanted to
because
show you guys.
Tore through those. They were so good.
They were good. This one is the mixed nuts, caramel, and sea salt.
Yeah.
But we got a bunch of different flavors, and every single one, I feel like
winner.
Each one that I ate was like
better
and better.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna be having this one today.
We're definitely getting these again because they're good.
Yeah.
You know, no, strike that. They're great.
Yeah, and they're very healthy. So
they just no bad stuff, and they mean it. No kidding. Oh, it says right there, no kidding. This really good.
Very, very good.
Enjoy your last one. Oh my God, those look so good too.
Yeah.
Wait, let me focus in on that.
There's a lot of good stuff in here.
Yeah, there is a lot of good stuff in there. Enjoy it.
Thank you.
And I'm on, there I go, autofocus.
Okay.
I'm not having a snack. Oh, hello.
Hello,
it's dinner time. Wow, my phone works so much better with the white balance than the actual expensive camera.
I didn't even know I had a white balance.
Yeah, it's got everything on here.
Nice.
So we're having Chinese food tonight in honor of Mark. We've got veggie lo mein.
Yep, veggie lo mein. Sesame bean curd, aka tofu.
Right. So like sesame chicken, but with tofu.
Yeah, it's so good. We have broccoli with garlic sauce, and I got a spring roll here.
And white rice. There's also brown rice if you want. I said no, I want dirty old white rice.
No.
Yeah. So this is mine. I'm going to go over my calories for today. I don't care. I don't care. That's right. So enjoy. We made it to dessert. And today we couldn't eat the birthday pie.
No.
Because it's only vegetarian. So we're having some of this Planet Oat chocolate peanut butter swirl.
Yum. It's delicious.
It is. We've had it before. It's really good.
A little peanut butter in there.
Yeah. I forgot to mention that I had my double coffee this morning.
Okay.
And I'm also trying this Spindrift sparkling water.
What is this? What I drank today?
It's pretty good. It's not my favorite though. I do prefer the mango. But I wanted to try it. Yeah. So there you go.
All right. Well, that is what we ate today.
Hope you enjoyed.
We hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a birthday
Subscribe for more
today.
Yeah.
So we ate some stuff that we don't always eat, but we also ate some stuff that we do always eat.
Yeah. What can I say? Smash the like button. Thanks again, guys. Join us next time and ring that bell so you know when we upload a video. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and until then, much love.